It's race day today. It's minus 40 degrees outside. I've never ridden in this kind of cold before.
Putt. Shifter on perses. See vajutab ennast uuesti kokku. Türa. diisid siin kahjuks ei anta, aga väga ilus.
I talk a bit about my race. In qualifying, I only managed to do one lap, then my shifter broke. That really annoyed me because I couldn't keep riding and I had to come off the track. We managed to fix the shifter and the first race went really well. There were 15 riders on the track and I managed to fight my way up to 10th place. But 2 corners before the finish I crashed because after corner I went on the throttle too hard and then I broke the shifter again. We fixed the shifter and the second race went really well. I learned from my mistakes and 10 meters before finish another rider hit me and I fell again. How it happened was how I was in the corner trying to finish. He came behind me, drifting in front of me, and as he did that, he hit my front wheel and I was flying and everything went black. Then I realized that this guy hit me and I fell, and then I managed to get up, get on my bike and finish the race. It was pretty cool experience. Overall it went really well. I gained a lot of new experience and I really enjoyed the race. The track was really good. I liked the corners and straights. Everything was perfect. I was pretty fast considering that it was only my 4th time racing on a dirt bike or ever riding on a dirt bike, so I did pretty well. No one got badly hurt, which is the most important thing, and my teammate Janus finished his race at 2nd place. That was really nice. Soon I will be racing at Pärnu, so we're looking forward to that, and I hope the race will go better there. So yeah, let's wrap things up here. This is goodbye.